Hello, in this explain that in this tutorial on how to fix Chrome tab problem. Change Chrome list view to grid view. So let's get started. So first up, open up your Google Chrome. So in this case, we're going to check if we have occurring the same problem in which we're going to have the list view. So tap on the three dots above top right and just go to settings. Scroll down until you see accessibility. In here, you should turn on or be switched on the simplified view. It should be disabled in this case if you're going to go back to your grid view. Or the second method is to type on the Chrome flags, tap on the tab grid layout, then change it to enabled. This would prompt you to going back to grid view from the list view method. So just restart the app and there you go. And this explained that this is a tutorial on how to fix Chrome tab problem. Change Chrome list view to grid view.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends by notifying that bell as well. As always, stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Explain That.